You ready?
No. Scared.
Don't be scared.
Crap my pants.
We've arrived in San Diego.
San Diego. Which of course in German means a whale's vagina.
This is so pretty out. Oh my god, the shoes have got to go.
It's an obsession.
Alright, we just got to our hotel room in the beautiful San Diego. And I'm gonna give you guys a little hotel room tour. When you walk in, this is what you see. This is the view. Immediately to the left, we have a bathroom. Typical bathroom. Cabinet storage, which is nice. Actually, it's a closet. Behind is the mirror. Very nice lit up mirror. Full length mirror. Boom. Alright, then we have the bed, TV.
Wow, just went right past me, huh?
All the good stuff. And the best part of the entire room.
Me?
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
A balcony, come on. How cool, I love balconies. We're looking for some good spots to take pictures, and I'm gonna try to climb my butt up into one of these trees. And by climb, I mean find the lowest possible point and lean against it. So, I climbed a tree, sort of.
Sort of, but not really.
Sort of, but not really, I tried.
Took a step into a tree.
Literally, yeah, one step up, but that's okay. We just took some cool pictures. Well, I don't know if they're cool quite yet. We're gonna take a look. And now we're headed to go get lunch. This is gonna be my bad boy right here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna be whipping corners all over town.
Wills, you need to sponsor us. Sponsor her.
Oh, I can't wait. If it works.
Download the app first.
Swear I'm not sponsored. Should I go with a red one or a blue one?
Red.
To match?
Yeah, red. The blue would look sick though, because it'd bring out that pop in them kicks, you know? Dude, this place is beautiful.
Yeah. How to ride. Press the power button on, turn your wheels on, and wear a helmet. That's a hard task. Do I do it right now? Because it says unlock.
Yeah. Hit the unlock button. God, I can't wait for you to bust your ass wide open.
I'm genuinely terrified.
Just do a little lap this way. Dude, you're good.
Oh, it's this way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, you did it. God, I wish you would fall. Brake.
No.
Brake.
Terrifying.
How is it terrified?
I'm on one of these motorized scooters right now. And it's genuinely terrifying. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash. Oh, sorry. Oh wow, little traffic. So long, suckers!
not looking too good. They might have something for you.
What?
So they might have something. Oh, here we go. Like a rack. Yeah. Dude, these are sick. These are here.
You guys, all I wanted to do was run into Forever 21 to see if I could find something cute to wear, and look. Legit going out of business. They're closing the store, but everything is 75% off. Wow, I am a complete mess. I am losing my voice because I'm partially sick. I have started curling my hair. Later tonight we're going to a bar first, have a drink or two, and then to dinner, and then to the Brendan Schaub like comedy show. I don't really know. And Joe Rogan is opening for him, so it's like Joe Rogan and Brendan Schaub and one other guy that I'm not familiar with. It's just gonna be very casual. I think I'm wearing a hoodie and some jeans, but I wanted to have my hair not just thrown up in a bun. I might do like a half up, half down. I don't know yet. I got some cute scrunchies earlier today from Urban Outfitters, so I might try to do something with that. But yeah, I'm gonna finish curling this hair and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Good morning. So last night we couldn't record inside of the theater, so we got just about no footage. Sorry about that. I'll insert a few pictures here that we did take though. Today we are off to an oceanside cliff to get some cool pictures.
Brunch first.
First we're going to brunch, then we're gonna go get some cool pictures. And I'm hoping to recreate a picture I took when I was like 15. I'll insert that here. Which I look like a straight towhead, literally a bald man. But I want to just recreate, you know, the gist of the picture. So we'll see. So we're gonna go get brunch now.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning.
Good, thank you.
So excited. Oh, I was here when I was like 15 and I've always wanted to come back. Just wait until you go see this house. It's unreal. Oh my god. That way.
Okay. So I had to take about 1,000 pictures of her. Now she's reviewing them before I'm allowed to go get beer.
Monday morning.
Rain is falling.
And we're going to the airport.
Well,
Heading home.
we're sitting here right now.
But we're gonna go to the airport soon.